Many fully vaccinated Americans are taking off their masks and returning to a more normal life following new guidance from the CDC yesterday. But there are still questions, as government agencies, employers, and businesses can still require masks. Here's ABC's Rena Roy.
As millions of vaccinated Americans begin a mostly maskless life, an air of excitement coast to coast.
I'm ready to rip it off.
Thank God we're free.
The CDC releasing new guidance saying fully vaccinated people can ditch the face coverings and stop social distancing in most cases, with COVID-19 numbers going down across much of the country.
I see this as a brand new day. I'm excited to put away my mask, to go out and engage with friends and others like I used to.
But still a lot of questions and some hesitancy.
The question in my mind is when? What's the right time? And this feels premature.
There are exceptions, the CDC saying everyone should still wear masks in hospitals, on buses, trains, planes, and if required by a state, county, tribe, employer, or business. Michigan just a month ago facing a surge in COVID cases, now lifting its mask mandate. But a number of states like Massachusetts keeping their policies in place.
There are some areas in this country that still have quite low vaccination rates, and so we can't treat it necessarily as uniform, and a lot of those decisions are going to happen at the jurisdictional level.
Target and Kroger are still requiring face coverings. CVS says it's now reevaluating. More than 118 million Americans are now fully vaccinated, about a third of the U.S. population. A new CDC study says the mRNA COVID vaccines were shown to be 94% effective at preventing symptomatic COVID-19. But experts recommend unvaccinated people, including children, still wear masks indoors and in certain outdoor situations. Health officials say this is, of course, a step forward, but that they'll continue to watch the numbers, reminding Americans that things could possibly change if we start to see another surge. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.
Two of the nation's largest retailers are updating their masking guidelines following this announcement from the CDC. Costco says it will no longer require fully vaccinated members to wear masks in stores where there are no local mask mandates, except for inside healthcare areas. Now, Walmart also says fully vaccinated people can shop in its stores, including Sam's Club, without a mask unless local mandates are in place.